Hello everyone and welcome to the workshop. So today I'm reclaiming. I've been given these two big cabinets that were part of a wardrobe system. Just to show you down. Now these are turned 90 degrees, so they should be long ways. They'd be long ways along the wall. These are above the bed cabinets, so I've turned them round up long lengthways. Obviously they had two doors on here, 3 doors on this one. I've taken those 2 doors off at the moment, and my plan is for this one is going to be a simple drill stand with shelves in it to store other things, and this one is going to be, and if I move it out of the way, in the back there you can see my lathe stand, and this is too long that way but proper right size depth wise, so I've just got to cut this bit off, put this back on again, and possibly put some shelves in, I don't know, but that's what the plan is. So stay watching and see if I succeed. So the back is held on with some staples at the moment, so I'm just going to take them off of this big tall one to try and get just so I can try and get the side panel, which is the top at the moment, but this was actually a side panel. Now I believe, because this was built before the time of IKEA, where you have the little twisty connectors so you can just pull it apart, I believe this is glued and doweled, so I don't know what the how it's going to come apart. We're going to have a couple of whacks with the mallet just to see if it frees it up. If not, then I'm just going to use the jigsaw, go round the bottom here to save this top bit, then cut it to length, and then re-put the top on or the side on, whichever way you're looking at it. So cover your ears, it may be a bit loud. So not too bad. It wasn't even really glued, I don't think, even though it felt like it when it was putting it apart, but it's a superficial yeah, whatever, superficial damage, that's the word. So that'll be fine to go back on again for what I want it for. So there we go. So now what I've got to do is cut down, and that'll be done with the jigsaw. Like always, measure twice, cut once. So I'm just going to double check the length it can fit into. I don't actually need, because I don't know if you can see, but the dowels have been left in here. I don't really need to cut them off because I'm going to cut the top off anyway, but it's going to make it easier to run this round to make the line. So I'll get it nice and flat. So as you can see, we've got our permanent marker mark on both sides and on the back, and now it's time to cut. I'm just going to double check the measurements. Perfect, even if I say so myself. Good old Black and Decker jigsaw from probably 60s, 70s, real old school. This was my wife's granddad's jigsaw. He used to be a carpenter, and unfortunately when he passed away he left a load of tools, and this was what I received. I'm very thankful for it, and this was a good 20-25 years ago, and it's still going. Haven't had to change anything apart from new blades. So I've set up my Stabilia level as a straight edge, and now we'll just make the cut. there you go. So we've got these two bits cut, and then we've just got the hardboard backing cover to cut. I think I might just do that on the circular saw. Remember, measure twice, cut once. I nearly made a mistake and didn't allow for the top or the side. So as you can see, I've got two lines and I want this line nearly. As you can see, I've changed my mind. I'm going on the bandsaw, not the table saw. Change of plan. That was going to be too finicky, so get the top on with the side on, and then we'll put the backing on and use the nail gun instead. There we go, so the side is all nice firmly attached, and now what we're going to do is put the back on. Always check you've got enough nails in your nail gun, that might help. Perfect. Might actually just change the doors over so the handles are at the top, so it's easier to go there rather than at the bottom. Didn't really think about that. But brilliant. I'm well chuffed. See you in the next one. That may be the drill table one. Bye. I hope. Oh dear, I think you went for a ride.